Okay, our back pattern is ready. So guys, here are our two pattern blocks, front and the back. Next is to mark out the zipper fly and the zipper shield. So for the zipper shield, I mark 9.5 inches by 2.5 inches. For the zipper fly, I mark 8.5 inches by 1.5 inches. At this point, I mark 2 inches up, then I create zipper fly shape like this. The zipper shield and the fly are ready. Next is to cut the pocket. I lay the front like this. Next is to cut the waistband for this pattern. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of a male pant stroke trouser pattern drafting. Thank you so much for watching all the way from where we began from. Stay blessed. Bye bye. See you in my next video. God bless you all. Shalom. I sign out.